Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You must begin by verifying core prerequisites so the repair path works. First, confirm you are signed into iCloud and that Find My is enabled for your Apple ID. This registers devices. Next, make sure your AirPods have some battery and sit within Bluetooth range of an iPhone. Without that, location updates won't transmit. Once done, update iOS to the latest release and turn on Wi-Fi or cellular. These steps let the Find My service communicate and save you time. You now run diagnostics and perform targeted fixes. Open the Find My app, tap Devices, and select your AirPods to see their last known location and play sound if available. This verifies connectivity. If no location appears, place AirPods in their case, close the lid for 30 seconds, then reopen them next to your iPhone to force a refresh. When that fails, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, and then repair. This clears pairing faults. Finish by confirming the repair worked. Open Find My and check your AirPods appear, then play a sound to confirm audio path and location updates. Once confirmed, turn on Notify when found to get alerts if they reappear offline, and mark as lost only if you need location tracking and messaging. If issues persist, especially no location after reset, try signing into a different Apple ID device to isolate account versus hardware problems. If that doesn't help, contact Apple support to evaluate possible hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.